Horatio, this is horrible. What did you do to your smoky goodness?
It looks as though Smoky Goodness has had its first train wreck. We had all these ingredients out here. Man, I was good to go. I was ready to do some turkey stuffed turkey breast, and I mean that lemon zest smells great. The oregano and everything in there, but I mean, good God, man, what is that? Train wreck. So, welcome to Smoky Goodness. Today we're going to be doing some frozen hot dogs. Yeah, let's get these guys on the grill. All right. Can you smell that? That smells frozen. Through the miracle of time, these gourmet barbecued hot dogs are done. Take a look at that.